Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. Today I will be doing a project share using some of the items that I recently received from Beebeecraft. I will be using some of these colorful beads. These are synthetic turquoise beads in a variety of colors, and you guessed it, we will be decorating some tassels with these beads. I'm also going to be using some of the crackle glass beads, as well as the unicorn charms and also the stainless steel head pins. I will have the links for these items in my description box, as well as links for discount codes. I want to tell you a little bit about the Beebeecraft program. If you would like to join, you can. You just need to apply, and I will put the link to do that to the Beebeecraft YouTube program in my description box. I will also have links for discount codes. So if you just want to shop Beebeecraft but you'd like a discount, just check in my description box and I will have the link there that you can use. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you what I'm doing here. I have got the head pin, and really it's so easy. I just take the beads, put them right on the pin, and then I grab the needle nose pliers and I bend the leftover wire of the head pin over to form a loop, and that way I can use a little tiny O-ring and connect these together. I'll have some pictures coming up showing several of the tassels that I embellished with the beads that I have here today, but this first one that I'm working on is obviously a pink tassel. So I'm using the bright pink beads from the turquoise bead box, and I am mixing those with some of the pink crackle beads and also the clear crackle beads. And I also, on a few of them, there's like this little peachy color. It's like a very light pink but leans a little bit peachy, and so I also mixed a few of those in here and there. Here is a close-up of a few of the different little strands that I made. Off camera, I went ahead and attached the unicorn charms, and I wanted to let you know that if you wanted to use this unicorn charm for a necklace, there is a little hook on both sides of the actual charm. So I hooked it onto this tassel only using one of the hooks, but if you were to string it on a necklace, it would stand up on all fours, if you will. These beads go with the unicorn charms really, really well. For some of the Christmas tassels that I made, I used some of the red and black turquoise beads, and I also made a blue and white tassel, and so I was able to use some of the dark blue turquoise beads. And lastly, on a tropical Christmas tassel, I was able to use the turquoise and the bright pink. Thanks for watching. See you soon.